we can go ahead and proceed with this default hearing. Go ahead, Mr. Tatum.
Thank you, Your Honor. And did you need to see the underlying order?
No.
That I have.
Okay.
All right. Very well, then. I'll call Mr. Harvey to testify here. Yeah, Mr. Harvey, would you go ahead and state your name for the record one more time?
Robert Harvey.
And Mr. Harvey, you've already reviewed a proposed order for the judge, hopefully to sign at the end of the hearing today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And attached to that order was a document that's labeled AG Exhibit 1, a financial activity and payment record. Did you review AG Exhibit 1?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe that the information that's contained in AG Exhibit 1 is complete and accurate for the time periods that are stated?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I'll offer AG Exhibit 1 into evidence at this time. And if the
screen
court would
that?
like, I can screen share that to
Yes,
you.
yes, I would.
While it's coming up, I'll inform the court. The underlying order did not set any child support for Miss Whitley to pay. It only set cash medical support obligation here.
Okay.
$113.10, which is 9% of the minimum wage order.
All right.
And so it's page 2 here. And Mr. Harvey, are you joining with the Attorney General's office and asking Judge Villafranca to grant a judgment for cash medical support obligation in the amount of $3,096.69 as of May 18 of 2025. Is that your request, sir?
Yes, sir.
And would you believe it would be appropriate for the judge to order Miss Whitley to pay back that judgment at a rate of $100 per month beginning June 1, 2025?
Yes, sir.
Now then, let's see, Judge, do you need me to continue the screen share here?
No, AG Exhibit 1 is admitted into evidence.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now then, Mr. Harvey, where is Miss Whitley at this time?
I believe
That's right.
she's incarcerated.
Okay, do you think she's in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice?
Yes, sir.
And is it your information that she will continue to be so incarcerated until January of 2026?
Yes, sir.
Does so obviously she's not working anywhere. To the best of your knowledge, does Miss Whitley have any passive income?
Not that I'm aware of.
To your knowledge, does she own any hard assets such as real estate or things like that that the judge could order to be seized and sold to help her pay child support?
Not that I'm aware of.
All right. So you are aware then that the law requires Judge Villafranca today then to set her child support and cash medical support obligation at $0 per month until she is released from prison. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Speaking of medical, do you have the prior order ordered you to use a government medical assistance program, but you're not doing that, are you, sir?
Government assisted meaning
Meaning a government sponsored health program.
Oh no, I don't have one of those.
All right. So what do you have?
I have a Globe Life insurance.
Okay. Is that through a private source?
Yes.
All right. And the judge may want to know how much that costs you.
I don't have that paper. I want to say it was $134.26 a month.
See, did you tell me it was costing you $34.42 weekly?
Yes.
And would you agree that that works out to a little over $149 a month?
Yes, sir.
All right. And again, you understand that unless the judge can find that Miss Whitley has some income or some assets, that he cannot order her to reimburse you for that health insurance premium at this time. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, are you asking the judge to go ahead and order that you continue to provide that insurance at this time?
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. Is there anything you think the judge needs to know about this case?
Nah, wrong thing. Just continue doing what I'm doing and taking care of him.
Right. Now, the child in this case is Carson Ray Harvey, a
Yes,
male
sir.
child.
Yes, sir.
How old is Carson now?
6.
Turning 7 in August, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I'll pass the witness to the court.
Counselor, are you also asking for court costs?
Yes, sir.
Is there a non-disclosure provision in here?
I'm not sure what that was about. It actually was an indication on our files that Miss Whitley might have some need for non-disclosure, but she's not here to testify to that, Judge. So basically left the information sheet blank for both parties.
Okay, but you're not asking for a non-disclosure clause.
Not at the moment.
Okay. Mr. Harvey, do you work outside the home?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work at, sir?
I work for Jansen Lease Service.
All right. Doing what kind of work?
Heavy equipment operator,
Okay.
oil field.
What kind of money do you make?
Roughly $27.50 an hour right now.
Okay, you used to get at least 40 hours a week?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mrs. Whitley, before she was incarcerated, what kind of work would she usually do?
I want to say the last I've known where she worked at was a waitress at Edna Seafood.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I never was able to get much information out of her. It's kind of hard to get information.
Okay, all right. Does she ever visit with the child when she is out?
Yeah, we had week to week custody orders, but I mean that's what I recommended. It ain't the child's fault that the parents spit. That's the way I've always seen it.
Okay. Y'all had week to week. Is that one of the reasons y'all did not have her paying any child support?
It came, I think, the decree whenever it started is supposed to pay child support, but I never turned it in. But she did something, but it ended up showing I got a letter in the mail saying that I owed child support, and that's whenever I filed mine in and got it changed.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Do you have any other witnesses you want to call at this time, Mr. Harvey?
No, sir, I don't.
Do you have anyone else, or do you have anything else you want to tell the court at this time?
No. I think everything's been going smoothly with me and my child, so try to keep it the way it's going.
Okay, all right then. All right, Mr. Tatum, do you have anything else you want to ask this witness, or any summation you want to do, or? you're
Nothing
just ready
further
to
from
do the
this
rule?
witnesses, from this witness, no further witnesses, and I'll summarize. If you're ready
Go
to hear my
ahead.
summary.
I'm
So
ready.
it does appear that there's been a material and substantial change in circumstances with regard to Miss Whitley's incarceration. We were prepared to make arguments that she should be ordered to pay child support anyway, but of course, with her incarcerated and having no income or assets, the court should go ahead and express the order that she's not ordered to pay child support for that reason today. Order Mr. Harvey to continue with the private health insurance that he has, but without any reimbursement from Miss Whitley while she's incarcerated. But we do ask the court for court costs to be ordered against her. We're also asking the court to confirm medical support arrears as shown by AG Exhibit 1. And I have attached that as an exhibit to the proposed order, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And since there's not anybody to testify about who needs what with regard to non-disclosure, with the court's permission, I hope I've just left the information page blank for both parties at this time.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay, then, I do find that I have jurisdiction of this case, and we are moving forward on this default hearing, confirming arrears and modifying prior order. I do take judicial notice of the file, noting that, Mrs. Whitley, was served on March 20th, 2025, and that no answer has been filed by Mrs. Whitley. I do find that Mrs. Whitley current owes cash medical judgment of $3,096.69 as of May 18th, 2025. And she owes that arrears judgment as of, like I said, May 18th, 2025, and she has to pay that at $100 a month beginning June 1, 2025. I also find there is no current child support currently in place, so there is no child support arrears judgment. I'm ordering that because she is incarcerated at this time, and appears that she will still be incarcerated for the next 90 days, until possibly January of 2026, that her child support and cash medical at this time is set at 0. I am ordering Mr. Harvey to continue to provide health insurance for the child. And I'm finding there's one child of this relationship, Carson, a male child who's 6 years of age. Again, because she's incarcerated, I'm not ordering Mrs. Whitley to repay Mr. Harvey any kind of cash medical at this time. I'm assessing court costs against Mrs. Whitley, and I am not putting a non-disclosure clause in this. And I do believe that my ruling is in the best interest of the child, and that is it. Anything else, Mr. Tatum?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, then. Well, Mr. Whitley, good luck. I'm sorry, Mr. Harvey, good luck to you. I'm glad you're taking good care of your son. That's awesome. And you continue to do that, and I'm gonna let you go. I'll review the order that's Mr. Tatum is sending over to me. And
All right.
I'll sign off on it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have one question, if possible. In the future, how would I be able to? I don't know if it would turn to this or if it had to be a separate court deal hearing, but maybe to attain, so she's locked up and everything, to go ahead and get full custody. How would I work on that? Would that have to be a different arraignment?
You'd need to hire your own attorney.
Yeah, I'd have to get my own.
If you need changes to the conservatorship provisions of the prior order, you need to hire your own attorney.
Okay. That's what I need to know.
Anything else, Mr. Harvey?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. That's exactly what I would have told you. I can't give you legal advice. I can tell you that if you get your own attorney and then he or she can give you legal advice, and you can go from there. And you may have a wonderful case. I just don't know, but your lawyer would tell you, that's for sure. Okay, anything else, Mr. Tatum?
No, Your Honor.
Are you wanting to hold Mr. Harvey here? Are you going to release him? What do you want to do?
He's already reviewed and approved the proposed orders for the court.
Okay, then I'm going to